a gift I can't let slip away. The shadows may linger, death might be near, but faith is my armor, it silences fear. Through trials and valleys, I'll rise and I'll stand. With His love to guide me, I'm safe in His hand. Thanks be to God for the breath that I take, each second a treasure, each heartbeat makes. I lift up my song in sickness or health, to Him I belong. Each task that I'm given, I want to do it fast, with love in my heart and His strength by my side. The future's uncertain, but this I do know, His light is my beacon wherever I go. Oh, life is a vapor, it comes and it goes, but faith is eternal and ever it grows. So I'll sing my praises through joy and through strife, for even in pain there is beauty in life. Thanks be to God for the breath that I take, each second a treasure, each heartbeat makes. Even with this burden, I lift up my song in sickness or health, to Him I belong. Thanks be to God for the breath that I take, each second a treasure, each heartbeat makes. Even with this burden, I lift up my song in sickness or health, to Him I belong.
Mama.
When the weight of the world pulls me down, and my heart feels lost, nowhere to be found, your hand reaches out, your love takes control. Broken and weary, lost in my pain, shadows of sorrow calling my name. But through the silence, mercy was near. Jesus has taken all that I fear. Sana iyong gabay. Panginoon, samahan mo akong magkamali kung saan ang nasa ko matahang nang di na madapang muli. At kung sakaling may bagyo, yakapin mo ako. Panginoon, ako'y samahan mo. Lahat ay gagawin, iaalay sa'yo. Handog ay pasasalamat at ako'y binago mo. Buong puso't katapatan ng pagpupuri sa'yo. Walang hanggan, ika'y pag-ibig.